Benzene undergoes resonance by delocalization of pi electrons. A pair of pi electron is transferred from carbon-carbon double bond to adjacent carbon atom. It causes a negative charge to one carbon atom and a positive charge to another carbon atom. The pair of pi electrons on the carbon atoms is transferred again to adjacent bond. The process of transfer of pi electron continues and causes resonance in benzene. The double-headed arrow represents resonance. These structures are called canonical forms of benzene. All these structures can be represented by a single structure called resonance hybrid with pi ring cloud represented by dotted ring at the center. Structure 1 and 5 are called Kekule forms of benzene.